In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Godaddy hosting. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Godaddy website. Once you are on the homepage, you will want to find the navigation at the top. Look for the top menu and click Hosting. This is the part of the site where Godaddy groups all of the web hosting options, so it helps you get to the right page quickly. After you click Hosting, the next page should take you to the web hosting section. Now click Web Hosting in that area. This step matters because it filters you to the packages that are meant specifically for hosting websites, not other products. Next, you will see Plan Options. Click See Plans and Pricing. When you do this, you should notice that the screen will change to show different hosting packages. This is where you compare features and prices. Take a moment to read the package descriptions and any included details that are shown on the page. If you are building a new site, it is helpful to look for plans that fit your expected traffic and the kind of website you want to run. Once you decide which package you want, select your desired package, then click Buy Now. At this point, Godaddy will begin the purchasing flow, and it is important to make sure you have chosen the correct plan before moving on, because you will be committing to that product selection. Now you will be asked to choose your billing period duration. This means how long you want the hosting to be billed for, such as monthly or longer terms, depending on what is available on the page. Select the billing period that you prefer, and then click Continue to Cart. This step is helpful because it moves your selected hosting package into your cart, where you can review what you are about to purchase. After the cart loads, the checkout process will guide you through any remaining prompts. If you are prompted for a free domain name, type in your desired free domain name in the field provided. Make sure you enter the domain carefully because the free domain offer depends on the name you choose and what is available. After you finish entering the domain name, click I'm ready for checkout. This tells the site that you are prepared to proceed to the next part of purchasing. Now it will ask you to create an account or sign in. If you already have a Godaddy account, sign in using your existing login method. If you are new, choose the option to create an account and fill in the required information. Keep an eye on the screen so you do not miss any required fields, because you will need an account to complete the purchase and manage your hosting afterward. Once your account is ready, the page will move you to payment details. Enter your payment information in the fields provided and verify that everything looks correct before you submit. When you are done, click Complete Purchase. This final step is what places the order and confirms the hosting subscription. After you click Complete Purchase, you should be taken to a confirmation page or dashboard screen. From there, you can usually access details about your hosting, and you may be able to start setting up your website right away, depending on how Godaddy has structured the account flow. That covers the full process from choosing a package to finishing checkout. And that is all there is to it.